What's going on, family? I'm out here visiting my mom. Rest in love to Mary Catherine Brown. She died October the 27th, 2012. Man, time flies, Mom. I can't believe I'm doing the stuff I'm doing right now, family, if it wasn't for her. She literally planted that seed in me and said, what do you think about welding? I don't know where my life would be at now if it wasn't for her doing that. A lot been going on with my life the last few weeks, fam. I've been really having to refocus and get some priorities in line and make a decision to grow my business. And I had to come out here and just talk to them, fam. My aunties out here, grandparents. It's just humbling, fam. But I think you should always go back and pay respect, man, to your people, those who got you here. Because here lately, fam, I ain't even gonna lie, fam. I just been under a little stress, and I just said, you know what, I need to go and visit my mom, visit my family, because family, when it's all said and done, fam, this where we gonna end up at. This it. If you don't be here, you're gonna be cremated, but you're gonna be here. This is our destiny. And they said a wise person will visit the cemetery to be reminded of what the outcome of all this stuff that we're doing, fam. All the money, everything we chasing, everything we trying to do, the women, everything, fam. The physical, the bodies, fam, when it's all said and done, fam, this is where we're going. So we got to live to be remembered, fam. And my mom is still alive today because of the seeds she planted in me. And the seeds I've been planting in other people and helping other people, they living because of my mom. And I think we just have to remember that, fam. We got to remember our family, remember our people, and remember where we're going when all this is over with, fam. When it's all said and done, fam, this is where we're going to. So we got to get our hog on now, because there's none of that in the grave, fam. I love you, Mama.